Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bhupinder Singh, and I am an art teacher at Otis Petter Foundation. Today, I will teach you that how to make paper bag. So, for that, you need one square or rectangle sheet. You can choose any old sheet or newspaper or any curved sheet. So, I have already one. So, let's start. You can use this kind of paper bag in various places. Just like you can carry your books or something like that, or you can wrap gift in this. So let's start. First we have to fold it one paper like this. We have to leave one around 1 centimeter space over here, and we have to fold it over here like this, and then we have to apply Fevicol over here, and we have to paste it like this. So just take the Fevicol, apply it over here, and then you can paste it like this, and just wait for 30 seconds. It will get stick easily. Now you can see we have this kind of structure which is open from both sides. So now we have to close it from one side. For that, just fold it like this, around 1.5 inch upward, and make a twist line like this. Like this, you can understand. Now just open this flap, put your finger in this, and take this line and press it over this center line like this. Do the same from this side also. Just press it like this. From both sides. Now we have this kind of shape. So now just take this flap, fold it like this, and this one also fold it like this. And now we have to paste this flap over here. So flap will go over here a little bit, and then you can paste it and wait for some time. It will get stick. You can just fold it both side so it will stick easily. Now you can see we can put something, but it's very flat. We have to give 3D shape, little bit space, so you can put thick object also. So just take this, we have this 2 points, take this part and fold it in one direction like this. When you're done with it, do the same from other side also, fold like this. When you're done, just open it, open this part and put your finger in this and open it like this. You can see now you can open it easily. Now with the help of these squeeze lines, just fold it like this, inverted fold, and this you have to press it inside like this. Same from this side also. First press it like this, and center line you have to fold it inside, and now you can just fold it like this in one direction. So whenever you want, you can open it like this, and you can put any thick object in this, and your paper bag is almost ready. Now if you want, you can add some handles in this. So I'm using this strip. You can use any other curve of strip also. Just you have to paste it over here. So apply Fevicol on both sides. First on one side, and paste it like this, and then another side like this. So if I go over here and paste it like this, and do the same from other side also. Apply some Fevicol, paste it over here, and do the same for the other side. Apply some Fevicol and paste it over here. So now you can see handle is also ready and your bag is also ready. If you want, you can put any book in this, and you can use as a gift wrapper also. You can draw some design in this, write a beautiful message, and you can put anything in this bag, and you can handle it over someone. So I hope you enjoy this video. Try it yourself. Have a nice day. Thank you.